Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery in BL tonight. First up, we're going to kick things off talking about major private equity firm, investment company that's Proven Investments Limited. Talk about huge results from them. We're going to get to that. They just came out with their audited results. But before we go there this week, we're going to talk about their dividend consideration here. Proven Investments coming out with advisory that actually there was no dividend declared at their board meeting held on June 24th, 2022. Proven Investments, that's ticker symbol PIL. They go on to say that the decision reflects prudent liquidity management by the company to better position PIL to respond to market opportunities as they come about. Now, Mayberry Jamaican Equities Limited, MJE, updated net asset value here. Been kind of, hovering around, trading around $18 per share. That's not the market price, folks, but that's the net asset value, the daily NAV as at June 28th, 2022. Now, Everything Fresh Limited, that's eFresh, coming out here, making some moves here, 2022. Acquisition of shares in Everything Fresh Bahamas here. Advisory that the company has completed the acquisition of additional shareholding in eFresh Bahamas Limited. This acquisition, the company states, has been formalized effective April 2022, that's April 27th, and has moved Everything Fresh's shareholding from 60%, already majority, to now 80%. Now, Sagicor Group Jamaica Limited here, coming up with some management changes. Actually, that Mr. Sean Newman, that's the Executive Vice President, EVP, and CIO, that's Chief Investment Officer, has actually, resigned or stepping down. It's going to be effective, though. Some lead time here, September 30th, 2022. Of this year at Sagicor Group Jamaica. That's ticker symbol SJ. Last up tonight, interesting news here. It's not unexpected. This is something that the central bank has stated that they're going to keep fighting inflation. Inflation, like let's say from May, 10.9% overall. We've been seeing this globally, not unique to Jamaica or the Caribbean. We're seeing it in the US, UK, G7 country markets globally. Just inflation, supply pressure, raw material pressure, etc. But BOJ yesterday, actually effective today though, BOJ increasing the policy rate to 5.5%, another 50 basis point bump to the north side, or 0.5% rate increase, effective, as we mentioned, June 30th, 2022. Interesting times. We'll see what happens there. Of course, you're seeing the JMEA, PSOJ, but more so the JMEA come out with their comments on this and the impact it could have on markets going forward. You're probably going to see building societies, commercial banks, the financial sector overall come out to state when these effective rate increases overall are going to be hitting credit cards, mortgages, and so forth, and the consumer portfolio. I'm Mark Croskery. Have a great evening. This is Business Live.